Hello, this is Big A with ETFTrendTrading.com. Welcome to the free video for February, March, and April. As you can see, I haven't updated many free videos, and it's simply because I've been trading and supporting my members. I now do 2 weekly webinars for 1 hour each time, teaching the system, answering questions, making myself available to the members. This is the SPY ETF, one of my favorite ones to trade, along with the QQQQ. And each of these vertical lines represents the new month. So right here, you can see that this is the last day. So this would be February 1st, 2nd, right next to it. And we had a few possible counter trend trades in here, and then a few add trades. And overall, we're looking at now April the 27th. We're back to the range. Let me just kind of stretch this out that we were at before. Okay, so here's the range, and here's the range. So what does that mean? That means that we don't know the future. We don't know if this new trend here is a pullback of the downtrend, or if this is a start of an uptrend. And here's the good news: we don't care. We don't need to know, and it's actually impossible to know, so why waste time trying to know? What we do is follow our proven system. We have a slight edge statistical advantage by my modified reverse pyramiding and my position sizing. Many people think that money management means trading with a stop. That is not money management. Using correct position sizing is money management, and then the modified reverse pyramiding to take advantage of a trend when it's proven to be a trend is great. So it won't take a lot more upward movement for this to be, in my system, deemed an official uptrend. But I know that some people think, well, wow, look at this movement right here. That's a huge trend. I mean, it went from 66 to 86, $20 on this ETF. Yeah, normally that would look good, but when you just came out of a move like this, that's a trend. Okay, so that means it's got to prove itself more before it becomes an uptrend. And the big money is made in the trends. Okay, the system does hold its own during the flat or sideways market, but the key is low risk, low risk, low risk. That's exactly what's going on here. So some of you with mutual funds might have been down 30 or 40%, and now because the market has pulled up, you might only be down 15 or 20%, or probably still around 25% compared to where the highs were at. Whereas you could be well on your way back to break even and profit if you would just commit to 10 minutes a night of trading the system consistently, for the next few years. So we're not going to promise you overnight riches, but the drawdown levels are so low, risking 1% per trade. So I do plan on putting a video on here where I talk about my scanner, but real fast I'll just show you. I do have a free version. I'm not going to give you that website, but this is the paid version with the trade station. So this is the possible PD buys from last Friday, and this is the PD sells. And see how it breaks it up with the risk reward ratio. This top one has a 6.13, so that means you risk $100 to make $613 according to one of the exit strategies. And then we have a PD power ratio, a divergence ratio, and it just does everything for you. And I do have a new scanner that I've been testing right now, which helps us do breakouts, which are for trends. And we make more money in trends than we do with counter trends. I only teach 2 entry strategies because you simply don't need a lot of entry strategies. You need good ones, and that's what I teach. One good counter trend entry strategy and one good trending entry strategy. Now, unfortunately, this one did not qualify at this turning point of March the 6th. Okay. Now, I could be like some people on the internet that show, back in time and say, here's where we reversed and we made, 50% on this little up move here. Well, we didn't reverse. You know why? Because this one didn't qualify, and we stick to the trading rules. And if you don't stick to your trading rules, then long term, you're going to absolutely lose. So that's something else that my program is going to teach you, how to have the trading psychology and discipline to stick to the proven system so you can be a long-term winner. Email me with any questions or call the office.